Hello everyone, we welcome you in our first PE online class of term 2. In this class we'll learn our abdominal abs workout, and Mrs. Shamira will start with the warm-up first. After warm-up we have 7 activities regarding this abdominal workout challenges, and we hope you will enjoy this video. Now we start with the warm-up. Mrs. Shamira gonna do warm-up.
Jogging on the spot.
Yes, good. It's jogging now. Jumping jacks.
Lower jumping jacks. Hands on your wrist. Start circling your neck. 1, 2,
Neck circling.
3, 4, 5. Other way around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arm circling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross your hands behind you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Windmill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, some spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now hand this side. Now one squat, one side kick. 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 Okay, now get ready for our jumping set. Simple jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 6. Jumping jacks. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this warm-up session. Now get ready for today's challenges.
Okay, dear students, after warm up, now we have our activities. Today we have 7 activities. Activity 1 is scissor kicks, and Mrs. Shamira gonna demonstrate. Mrs. Shamira will show the demonstration first. You see the demonstration. In scissor kicks, you are to cross your leg up and down. Okay. Now, the sequence of these challenges is 20 seconds each challenge, then 15-second break. Okay, the first challenge, scissor kicks. Ready? Start. Okay, now our second activity is feet crossover. Mrs. Shamira gonna show the demonstration first. Now see the demonstration. Yes, it's a simple feet crossover. Okay, now Miss Shamira gonna do this crossover 20 seconds. Ready? Start. Okay, students, now our third activity is reverse crunch. Now first see the demonstration. Mrs. Shamira gonna show the demonstration. Yes, you are to. Good. Now 20-second reverse crunches. Ready? Start. Okay, our activity number 4 is plank knee in. It's a really interesting activity. Miss Shamira gonna show the demonstration first. Now see, this is the plank, then position, then you are to press your knee in. Okay, it was the demonstration. Now Miss Shamira gonna do 20 seconds this exercise. Okay, ready? Start. Good. Okay, our next activity is side plank raises. It's really, it needs energetic. It's an energetic exercise. Now first we see the exercise demonstration from Miss Shamira. Okay, Miss Shamira, demonstration. See, this is the 1, 2, 3. It was the demonstration. Now 20 seconds this side plank raises. In this activity you're gonna do the plank raises 10 times with the right leg and 10 times with the left leg. Ready? Start. Okay, students, now our second last activity is we sit static holds. First, we see the demonstration. Now, Ms. Shamira gonna show the demonstration. Yes, you are to hold yourself. You're gonna sit like V position. Okay, good, excellent, Ms. Shamira. It was our demonstration. Now, 20 second. We sit static hold activity. Ready? Okay, next activity is our last activity. This is the reach up, simple reach up. Now Ms. Shamira gonna show you the demonstration. Please see the demonstration. Yes, simply you're gonna touch the toes. You sit up and touch the toes. Good, Ms. Shamira. Now this exercise for last exercise activity for 20 seconds. Ready? Start. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 seconds left, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stop. Okay, students, now this is our cool down session after activities. The cool down is as important as we do warm up before the exercises. Now Miss Shamira gonna do the cool down. Yes, Miss Shamira.
One, two, three,
Yes. Cross the arms and
Five.
same time bending your
Six.
trunk.
7, 8. Stretch.
Side to side stretch.
Other side. Stretch down.
Stretching down.
Touch toes. Hold.
Touching the toes and hold for a while. Hands up, stretch up, touching the toes slowly, slowly up, toe. Okay, now sitting, yes, holding the 4 feet toes and moving your knees up and down slowly. It is really good for your this main joint, center joint. Now legs straight, bending forward. Now holding the toes. Okay, now another side. Try to touch leg straight, touching the head with your knees. Okay, it was a cool down.
Bye.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. Okay, see you next week with the new video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.